something to enter body. Enter body.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's a little unusual for me to film just in my bathroom. This was supposed to be a TikTok video, but I decided to post it on here because like it's a long extended version, I guess. But this is just a get ready with me. This is my everyday go-to makeup look. You can wear this look out to work, to the club, girl, anywhere. So I started off with my eyebrows. I never do my eyebrows on camera, but I tried today. So I went on ahead and I did my eyebrows off camera, and I'm just going in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is the medium deep. So after setting my eye, I went in with the Warriors palette from the Juvia's Place Warriors palette, and this is like a dark brownish shade, and I like this because like I feel like this is perfect for any like season, to be honest, spring, fall, winter, because it's just a simple neutral look. It goes with everything. So I go on ahead and I just like stack that on my eyelid, and then I blend. For this look, basically blending is key because like you just are going for that cute little smoky effect, and you just want it to look nice and smooth. So whatever I do on one eye, I'm repeating on the other. And yeah, so the same way I just stack the shadow in the other eye is the same thing that I'm doing here. I'm just stacking it and then blending it out. Like, this look is super simple. And blending is key, guys. Like, honestly. Then I went on ahead and I did my lashes off camera because I wear glasses and I kind of really need to get close to the camera or to the mirror so I can see. And then I went ahead with the oil control primer from Smashbox. Smartbox or Smashbox, I don't know how to say it. I'm sorry, you guys. I don't have the products in front of me, but I think it's Smashbox. And for my foundation, I went ahead with the All Hour foundation from YSL. I love this foundation. And I went ahead with the setting spray from Charles Tilbury. I like to spray my brushes before I blend out my foundation. For some reason, I kind of find that it just is smoother. It doesn't matter if I do it with a beauty blender or with a brush. Like, I feel like the application looks nicer. For my concealer, I went ahead with the Giorgio Armani concealer. This is the Luminous concealer, and I apply two different concealers because I like a bright under eye. So like the way British girls do it, I love British girls makeup. I love a bright under eye. So I went on ahead with the Juvia's Place foundation. I forgot exactly what number it is, but I went on ahead with that, and I like it to give me that cute little bright under eye. And I blend that, like I said, you guys, like blending is key because I'm putting on a lighter concealer than like my actual complexion, so I had to blend a lot. And I am going on ahead with the same translucent powder from Laura Mercier, and I'm just baking. I don't really bake, to be honest, so I'm just like pressing that in, and then like I'll wipe it up in a few. I usually just press it into my skin, but I don't know. So I'm just dusting that off, and you guys will see. For my contour, I actually didn't use a liquid contour today, so I just went on ahead with the same Warriors palette. So the same shade that's on my eyelid is literally the same shade I'm using as contour. So like I said, easy peasy. You can use the same palette for the whole look. And for my nose contour, it's the same thing. I'm literally using the same eye eyebrow brush, eyeshadow brush. And I went in ahead with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is in the shade Honey, like I said, to give me the bright under eye that I really like. Why do I like a bright under eye? I don't know. I just kind of feel like it looks nice and I like it. I honestly don't have an explanation for it. I just really like it. And it might not be everybody's taste, but you're entitled to like what you like. Same way I'm entitled to like what I like. But yes. So for my powder, my pressed powder, I used the NARS Quarimba. And I just love that pressed powder. It goes perfect for everything. And I am going ahead with the same spray from Charles Tilbury, and I'm just spraying that all over my face. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the final look. I hope you guys really like it. Let me know down in the comment section what you think. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.